guys, we can just eat.
Hello, beautiful people. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. It is another day, and today, as you guys can see, we are here in the city. I do have Scarlett and Sis right there. Hello. Hi guys. Scarlett, you wanna say hi to the vlog? She's hungry already. Anyway, the reason why we are in the city again, I'll be staying here, I think, for this whole month. I'm not so sure yet, but it's Sinulog season here in Cebu. You guys know it's one of the biggest festivals here in the Philippines. So I think it's happening next week. And yeah, there's just a lot of activities going on, and I want to take part of it. I'm going to be here in the city, guys. And also, one of the most important thing why I'm here is we are going to process my visa finally. So yeah, we're gonna go to the bank today. We are going to process something, and then there's gonna be a few requirements that I need to get. For example, birth certificate. Well, I got that already. What else? Bank certificate, bank statements. A few more stuff. So anyway, I'll take you guys with me in another day here in Cebu City. We're gonna have lunch first. I'm pretty close to Mom's workplace and Sis' workplace as well, so that Scarlett, I could leave Scarlett to them in case I need to go somewhere alone. So this is my view, by the way, guys. Look. Ta-da! So we have Capitol right here. It's exactly the same hotel as what I've stayed last night. We have Monterrazas right there, look. And then Jollibee's right here, and so the doctor is over there. So that's my view. Alright, so yeah, come on, let's go and have some lunch. Okay, are you ready to go? Alright, you wanna press the elevator? Press down? Alright, good job, girl. High five. High five. Right, you want to press down? G, letter G. Oh, you know what letter G is? Good girl. Right, we're gonna have lunch in Jollibee, guys. Scarlett, what do you want? Fries and spaghetti. Okay. Right, here we are, guys. It's pretty busy because it's already lunchtime. Our food is here. It is pretty busy. Look, we have spaghetti and fries for Scarlett. I have this one, chicken, burger steak. Oh, I actually don't like burger steak. I was supposed to get the Super Meal B, which is the Lumpia Shanghai. Spicy? Yes, look, there's a flag. That's for you. And then Sis got C1, which is chicken with rice. Alright, bon appetit!
Hey guys, we can just eat.
What are you eating?
Rice.
And?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. And a bon appetit.
Bon appetit!
Bon appetit! Si Mama na pod. Alright people, we're finished with our lunch and now we're walking to the bank. First, we're gonna go to BDO, then to BPI to get bank statements and bank certificates. And then we're gonna go to the mall to get an ID 4.5 cm, something like that, like a passport ID. And then yeah, once I complete all of those, I'm gonna submit it to the agency. All right, come on. She's still eating her fries. She didn't finish it. Anyway, it's back to school, guys, and I could feel the traffic. Aside from that, it's actually sinulog season, right? So yeah, there's people everywhere. Also, there's daily mass in Santo Niño, which we might go to later on in the afternoon. So anyway, let's go to the bank. Alright guys, we're done here in BPI. Now we're gonna go to BDO. It's so hot right now. BDO, we're just gonna ride a taxi because, yeah, it's pretty close anyway. I don't wanna drive in this traffic. Alright guys, we just arrived here in the hotel. It took so long for the BDO to process my bank certificate and bank statements. If I compare it to BPI did it for like less than 15-20 minutes. But for BDO, I was there for like how many hours now? I think 2 hours because we arrived there like 1-ish. Yeah. They're also all getting bank certs and bank statements. There's a few people going out of the country, guys, and migrating and stuff like that. Yeah, anyway, I finally have them both. And I think the last thing that I need to get is the ID picture. And then yeah, anyway, I'm gonna have to change now because we're gonna go to the church. Is it the opening salvo today? Yeah, it's the opening salvo today in Señor Santo Niño. So yeah, we're gonna go to the church, guys. All right, let's go. All right, guys, change outfit. Ta-da! Hi. Okay, we're gonna head now. It's actually drizzling, and we were thinking if we should go or not because there's gonna be a lot of people. I think we're gonna be standing outside. But yeah, we're just gonna get a taxi because there is definitely no parking there because there's gonna be loads of people. All right, let's go. Bye. Bye. Mommy's there. All right, let's go. Guys, so the mass has been finished. So right now we are here in Colon. They call this Casadya sa Colon or Colon Night Market. So this is where you can actually buy a lot of really affordable clothes, shoes, everything. Right now we're in the food section because we are pretty hungry. We didn't have any snacks. So I just had kwek kwek. I think they've opened since December 1st. So they're gonna be open up until Sinulog. So yeah, it's really great to see people are going out. It's like really going back to normal. And yeah, it's really great to see people hanging around with friends and family. Agoy. Alright guys, we're having our dinner now. Here in Colon, we're having barbecue. Pangga, what are you eating? This is the situation. There's a lot of people here actually. So we just finished with our dinner over there. The barbecue was okay. I didn't quite like it, to be honest. But yeah, we got some puto bongbong. I'll show you guys like how was it? It's actually like an ube type of Filipino cuisine. So right now we're here in the night market again. There's loads of people here. You have to actually be careful with your bag and what you're wearing because this area is very prone to pickpockets. Alright. Alright guys, so we are back here in our hotel and Kuya has been talking to me. He's very interested about vlogging. So what's your name, Kuya?
Alright, my name is Mr. Ben. So follow and subscribe Miss Belgian Salon. Alright.
Sige, yeah. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Amping. Right, we're home. We're back in the hotel, guys. It was a bit hard to vlog in Colon Night Market because it was really busy and I was trying to protect my bag and my phone as well because you never know what could happen, right? At the same time, it was pretty loud in there too, so I had to like put the camera in front of me that close and I had to shout as well so that you guys could hear me. But yeah, it was actually fun visiting the night market. It was really good. I saw a few foreigners actually visiting it as well, mostly Koreans. But yeah, anyway, we have Puto Bongbong, guys. I'll show it to you. Alright guys, so she's so ready. So she has corn dog with cheese. Okay, can you try? Is it good? Okay, this is Puto Bongbong, guys. Look, ta-da! I'm not sure what this is made of. I forgot to ask, but I think this is made of ube. Yeah, I think you guys saw a few clips like how do they make it. But yeah, this is made of ube. Look, it's got condensed milk and cheese. Do you want to try? This is very yummy. I really like this one actually. Yeah, it's so yummy. I think you will like this one, Pangga. You want? Have you tried Puto Bongbong? It's really good. Especially when it's hot, but not now. It's not hot anymore, but still it's okay. Hello everyone, good morning. Well, this is the next day now. We have a lot of catching up to do. Alright, now this morning I just spent it by gathering all of my requirements, making sure that it's ready, and unfortunately I thought I was complete, but I'm not. I do lack one, which is going to be the 4.5 cm like photo ID with white background. So I'm gonna have to do that one today, and then once I'm finished with it, we can finally submit the requirements for my visa, and then we're gonna go to the agency. I have to have an agency to process it so that it's gonna be seamless. That's what I did this morning. I just wanna talk to you guys. We have some catch up to do as what I've mentioned. And anyway, hi, Scarlett is here. I just wanna sit down again and share with you guys what's gonna be ahead of me this 2023. There's gonna be a lot of traveling and I'm really excited. We're gonna be visiting new countries that I haven't been, which has been on top of my bucket list and has been my dream to go to and visit. And yeah, I'm really looking forward for it. Hopefully the visa will be approved. And then another thing that I want to fulfill this year as well is definitely bringing mom out of the Philippines. It has been my dream ever since. I don't know why, but yeah, it's either mom or the fam bam. So hopefully we will be able to do that this year. I mean, I still cannot get over 2022. But yeah, I was looking for an appointment for mom to get a passport. Unfortunately, my goodness, the appointment schedule is fully booked. I was looking here in Cebu and SMC side. There's like a temporary like passport processing, and yeah, it's fully booked until February. March isn't available yet, so I don't know what to do. If you guys have any connections, if you guys know anyone or know a city that has availability for passport processing, let me know. Comment it below, guys, because I really want to pursue my dream of getting mom out of Philippines so that she could also travel and she could somehow see a different world, see a different side of the world. You know, it's really nice. I think she'd be very excited. Also, it's gonna be her first time to ride an airplane, or maybe I'll take her to Manila or Boracay. At least she could experience riding an airplane for an hour and then international, so that she won't be so freaked out. I'm really looking forward for this 2023. The adventure begins maybe by the next couple of weeks, because yeah, I'm still gonna be here in Cebu because we have Sinulog, and I think we will still look for Vingo's wedding dress. I think I'm gonna try to do some solo traveling as well. I'm gonna hype myself up that I can do it. I've done it before, and yeah, maybe I could do it this year as well. Let's see. Hopefully, maybe here first, locally. Maybe I'm gonna go to Siargao, or to Baguio, or yeah, just anywhere. If you guys have any suggestions for solo female traveling, let me know. I'm gonna challenge myself this year. I think it will be better for my own growth and for my independence. I mean, I know I can be very vulnerable when it comes to these situations, since I'm a girl, I'm a woman, and yeah, it's nothing compared as when you're a man, you know, especially if you go out at night. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna wrap this video up here. Anyway, before I end this vlog, I just want to share with you guys that I still see the same questions in the comment section. I've already answered that, so yeah, hopefully that will stop. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. In the next few days, we're still gonna be here in the city, and we are going to have some adventure with my friends. We're gonna do some first time this year. We will be bolder, especially for Bengal's wedding. We have a few surprise for her. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys have any video suggestions. And as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye!